Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of resetting your TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. Whether you're dealing with connectivity problems, troubleshooting network issues, or simply want to start from scratch with your device, performing a reset can often be the perfect solution. Resetting your TP-Link extender can resolve connectivity issues, clear network problems, and remove any misconfigurations. It's ideal for starting fresh with new settings, fixing firmware glitches, enhancing security, and preparing the device for transfer to a new owner. Locate the small reset button on your extender, which might be labeled Reset or appear as a tiny pinhole. This button is typically found on the side or back of the device and requires a pin or paperclip to press. Ensure your extender is plugged into a power source and turned on. The LED lights will illuminate, indicating that the device is operational and ready for the reset process. With a pin or paperclip, press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 seconds. Watch for the LED lights to blink, which signals that the reset process has initiated and the extender is restarting. After holding the reset button, give the extender a minute or two to fully reboot. During this time, the LED lights may flash intermittently. Once the reset process is complete, the LED lights will stabilize, indicating the extender is ready for reconfiguration. With the reset done, it's time to reconfigure your extender. Connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network using a computer or mobile device, and follow the on-screen setup instructions. If you need detailed guidance, check out my previous video on setting up TP-Link extenders linked in the description below.